It is official, my friends. Today, May 2nd, is the day that I became a farmer. Yep, that's right. These are live bees, and I'm going to show you how I installed them in kind of real time. This is sped up by about 3.5 times. So here I am trying to finagle the queen, who comes in a separate little cage, onto the frames with a, whatchamacallit, paper clip, and get her to stay there. That she's got a little cork of sugar, and they eat that sugar out and eventually release the queen. And here comes the moment of truth. Yep, that's right. Woo, we just do this the old primitive way. We just shake them right in there. We just give them a little shimmy, shimmy, shake, shake. It's roughly, they say 10,000 bees. It's 3 pounds of bees, which I guess equates to roughly 10,000 bees, which is technically a small hive. I know 10,000 sounds like a lot in numbers, but the queen, when she's healthy, is laying anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 eggs per day. So this is roughly a week's worth of a queen's laying worth of bees. So it's really not that many bees, but it seems like it. I mean, the air right now is all salt and peppered with them flying around. And once I got over my initial, fight or flight scenario there and stopped freaking out and realized that the bee suit was going to actually help me not get stung, I was able to get them all in there nicely. These are a couple of little pollen patties. I know people say that the pollen patties aren't good because they attract some hive beetles, but this is literally the first time they're in here, so I don't think I have to worry about any hive beetles quite yet in the first 24 hours. And here on top, I've got a little a top feeder. You can't see it in there, and I refuse to keep changing the camera angles while I'm doing this, but I got this mixture of sugar water here, and that's going into the top feeder there, and they will eat that from below, yet above. Does that make sense? It feeds them through gravity, sort of, and they're down below. So I got to make sure I don't have any bees caught in here. Put that thing back on, and then get my lid back on, and hopefully I don't catch any bees in there either. But it's whatever. I'm gonna kill a bee or two. I already squished a couple. I mean, it's the first time. I'm not gonna lie to you. But in all reality, I'm amazed that I didn't get fucking stung once. Not once through this entire process did I get stung. I'm just gonna leave this here and let them just crawl out on their own, the few remaining. But they seem pretty damn happy. They're going in here, they're shaking their little bottoms like they're supposed to, letting their pheromones out and letting all the other bees know where their new home is. So I'm pretty confident that this is gonna work out, and that these happy little bees are going to be the start of something beautiful here at what I am going to call Sugar Hill Farm. So that's it, guys.